Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do another shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet the face. Today's shave soap is by Stirling Soap Company, and it is Dunshire. If you guys haven't smelled this soap before, it is a nice clean scent. It is the Aqua di Gio dupe, and it is a fantastic smell. I already have that whipped up in my stainless steel bowl here. 1/4 of a teaspoon and 13 milliliters of water. I'm using the Peregrino brush by PAA, and got a little wiggle, not a whole lot. I might have been able to add a little bit more water to it. And today's razor is going to be one that I haven't seen very many videos on, and so I thought I would break it out. And it is the Weck razor, and this is a med prep or surgical prep razor. And this company started doing razors like in 1909, and so this particular one, I couldn't really tell you the exact year, but this thing has seen a lot of shaves. And the one thing about this particular blade, here's a pack of the original blades, which I'm not going to be using today. It is a single edge blade, and this thing has a little bit more length than the Artisan club blade, so it's going to cover a large area quickly, which will make for a nice shave as long as you be mindful of the tool that you're using. So I have the blade loaded up in it, and you just slide it in from whichever way you feel comfortable. And let's go ahead and, no pre-shave, just gonna lather the face after wetting it. I haven't picked up a Stirling soap in a while, and just lathering it, it brought back all these good memories. And I love this scent. This is a scent that my wife loves out of all the colognes that I have. I know some guys, you know, are real big frag heads. Excuse me. They love fragrances, and I haven't really dipped too much into that, but I do have a little bit of a collection. And if that's something that you would like to see, let me know and comment below. All right, we're ready to get our shave on. Gonna go ahead and warm up the razor. Oh yeah, and here we go. I do have 3 days worth of growth, so. No problem rinsing out. That is smooth. You know, the design on this was to prep somebody for surgery, so you know it's going to get pretty close. What a shave. Ooh. I don't really know a whole lot about this razor as far as material or the year. There may be some guys that are watching that know more about it than I do. So if you are one of those guys, please let me know what you know about it. I tried to do a little bit of searching online, and it always comes up and it shows the other Weck razor, the one that's more of a shavette style and not so much on this one. Trying to be careful not to hit that in the bottom of the sink there. Wow. This is one of those shaves that just leaves you a little speechless. Let's go ahead and get lathered up for pass 2. And with pass 2 going across the grain, maybe an area where it could be a little bit dangerous. With that blade being so wide, it's going to find any high spots on your face. Just, you know, be aware of that if you have one of these or you're thinking about getting one. They are kind of hard to find. And I need to actually look around and find some other blades and give them a try in this razor, because this particular blade is not super smooth. And I think that's partly because of the type of razor. You know, this wasn't intended to shave your face with, but with it having so much growth and then the wide span there, I feel like can help out with the feel. Got a lot of soap there getting in the sink. It's almost like a sand rake or a Zen garden. I'm gonna go get cleaned up real quick. I'm not going anywhere, I'm just going below, but I just wanted to let you know. Off camera, I did a cold water rinse followed up by an ice cube. Gonna follow that up with the matching splash by Stirling. Did have a little blemish there from the other day. It's still there, so I didn't mow it off, and I'm going to top that off with some star jelly. That is incredibly smooth. I feel like I'm ready for surgery. Oh yes. Even though I'm in my shave shirt, let's just go ahead for a good measure. Mama will love that. This is a big bottle. I just have these Monstroso hands. Anyway, that is the shave for the day. I will put a picture right here of everything that I used today, and what an enjoyable shave. I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your week.